Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is set up volume based discount schedules. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ. So here you will find discount schedules tab, just click on it. Let's copy our discount schedule name, which is given right over here. Just copy this and click on new. So guys, here we are gonna paste the name, just paste it and click on save. So once if it is done, you will find this edit tires over here, just click on it. So here let's go to our challenge and copy this first level and make sure you're pasting without leaving any space at the first. So for lower bound, so we are gonna give 50 right over here. And for upper bound, mark it as 100, and for discount give it as 5. So once if it is done, click on this plus symbol which is at the end, so that you will get the next tire. So just copy this and come back, paste it over here, and for lower bound we are gonna give 50. So for this let's check over here, so it is 100, so give it as 100, and for discount we are going to give it as 10. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now I'm just going to search for printer paper letter from this global search. So it should be in product. So once if you get the result, just click on it and click on edit right over here. So here if you scroll down, so you will find the discount schedule. So here I'm just gonna fetch bulk paper. So once if it is done, click on save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.